Acrylic Repair Kit. Save treatment time and delays by doing small acrylic repairs or additions in your office. This is the same quality material used in the construction of your appliance at Space Maintainers. The complete kit includes monomer with a dispenser, acrylic powder in an applicator bottle, separating medium with a built-in brush, a rubber mixing bowl, a spatula, and complete instructions. Best used with the hydrostatic pressure unit to avoid porosity. Transparent pink acrylic kit. Transparent pink liquid monomer. Transparent acrylic powder. Separating medium. Clear acrylic kit. Clear liquid monomer.